Before you rush to upgrade your gaming rig, there are some surprising downsides to the GIGABYTE X870 AORUS Elite Wi-Fi 7 that you might want to hear about. Stick around to find out more. The AORUS Elite boasts a sleek all-black design with subtle grey accents, exuding a modern and minimalist aesthetic. A small RGB LED strip beneath the chipset heatsink adds a touch of customizable flair without overwhelming the overall look. But does it look and feel as premium as its competitors? This motherboard is designed to support the latest AMD Ryzen 9000, 8000 and 7000 series processors, ensuring compatibility with cutting-edge CPUs. With 4 DDR5 DIMM slots, it supports up to 256 gigs of memory, accommodating speeds up to 8000 megatransfers per second. This makes it ideal for users seeking high-performance memory configurations. For expansion, the AORUS Elite offers a PCIe 5.0 by 16 slot for graphics cards, ensuring readiness for next-gen GPUs. Additionally, it provides 3 PCIe 5.0 by 4 M.2 slots and 1 PCIe 4.0 by 4 M.2 slot, catering to high-speed storage needs. However, it's important to note that populating certain M.2 slots may reduce the bandwidth of the primary PCIe by 16 slot, potentially impacting graphics performance. On the connectivity front, the motherboard includes dual USB 4 Type-C ports, multiple USB 3.2 and USB 2.0 ports, and HDMI support, offering ample options for peripherals and displays. Networking capabilities are robust, featuring 2.5GHz Ethernet LAN and Wi-Fi 7 with a directional ultra-high gain antenna, ensuring fast and stable internet connections. The audio subsystem is powered by the Realtek ALC1220 HD audio codec, complemented by audiophile-grade capacitors, delivering clear and immersive sound quality for gaming and media consumption. Priced competitively in the mid-range segment, the AORUS Elite offers a solid set of features for its cost. If you're looking to upgrade your system, check out the Amazon link in the description for the latest offers. So, what are the pros and cons of choosing this motherboard? Cons: limited PCIe bandwidth. M.2 slots may reduce PCIe by 16 to by 8. Lack of CMOS clear button. No button for CMOS reset. Basic accessory bundle. Few accessories, no manual or drivers. Pros: future-proofing. Compatible with AMD Ryzen processors and DDR5 memory. High-speed networking, featuring 2.5GHz Ethernet LAN and Wi-Fi 7. Ample storage options. Multiple PCIe 5.0 M.2 slots available. User-friendly design. Ease Latch Plus and Click simplify installation. If you're considering this motherboard for your next build, check out the Amazon link in the description for the latest deals. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment with your thoughts.